Hello and welcome to B for Biker. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out any updates on bikes and adventure. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the video. We have a big news for you. Surprisingly, there is a new Avenger in replacement of the existing one, with a new price tag and with all new performance. Bajaj is in the process of replacing the Avenger 180 with the all-new Avenger 160 ABS. Before you frown up with this idea of downsizing the engine, here is everything that you need to know about why this step is considered to be the right one and what you can expect from the latest Bajaj Avenger 160. The Avenger is such a series that has constantly seen variation. What we can expect from the Avenger 160 is to have a refreshed set of graphics and a better paint scheme, so it is easily distinguished from the outgoing cruiser. Engine displacement of 160.3cc motor similar to the NS 160, which makes it produce 15.5 HP at 8500 rpm and 14.6 Nm of torque at 6500 rpm, which is slightly higher than the Avenger 180. Furthermore, it will carry a 5-speed transmission. Single-channel unit could be employed on this as well. Overall, though the displacement is smaller, the power remains the same. We don't expect any cosmetic change in this one. It is possible that the bike may get same suspension and brakes. The front receives 260mm disc and rear gets 130mm drum. Similar to the 180, the Avenger 160 will use a telescopic fork and twin rear shock absorbers. Just to keep it most affordable Avenger, the digital instrumental cluster will be seen missing and expected to come with an analog speedo. The Avenger 160 will comply with BS6 norms and will get ABS. Coming to its pricing, we expect it to be more or less similar to the Avenger Street 180, as the displacement is less but the power and the performance is equal. Though there are no official updates yet on this one, we are sure that the motorcycle will hold the title proudly of being the most affordable in the country. What do you think? Tell us in the comments section. With that said, thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Want to know anything about bikes and stuff? Leave down your queries in the comments section. We will be more than happy to help you.